Hey everyone, Luke here from Bedford Camera and Video, and I'm going to show you what Liquify is in Photoshop. There's a lot of different people that utilize this for different variants or different applications in their photographs, whether it's through landscape, portraiture, whatever it might be. So I'm going to kind of show you how to do that on a portrait, okay? So in Photoshop, once you have your image where you want, let's say right here, her dress is kind of coming out a little bit here. It might be slightly distracting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Filter, and if you drop down, you'll see Liquify right here. Now, if I click that, it's going to open up and load a whole nother window inside of Photoshop. And what I'm going to do, there's a lot of different ways you can liquify in Photoshop. You can even do from your face. It actually maps out a lot of key points on the face if you want to try to even out someone's eyes or eyebrows or however that might be. But we're going to stick with kind of the basics of Liquify right now. And if you hover over here, it'll say forward warp tool, and basically what that does is it gives you this round cursor, and you can make it larger or smaller depending on the subject that you're trying to work with. And what you can do is click and push or drag any of the part or any part of the image that you want adjusted. Okay, so I'm gonna just sit here and kind of slowly move this in, and it's really a good idea to move in small increments, okay? Because if you try to jump into this and get it all done in one fell swoop, it could look very fake and really just it looks photoshopped. So we don't want that to happen. Now I've already got that where I want it. I'm gonna hit OK. And if you notice, it went ahead and it corrected that in my image. So if I take that visibility off of that layer and show you where it was, it just kind of gives you that idea right there. Now, something that you will know or notice about Liquify is it will move every part of the image. If you see this bokeh in the background where it's been stretched out, you can actually come in and correct that by clicking your maybe your erase tool or using a mask. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of come in here and just get rid of that little bit there, and actually that right there. Okay, so now it looks a little more natural, and that's how you liquify. So that's going to be the easiest way to go about making those small corrections. Of course, the more that you work with this, the better you'll get, and you're going to want to spend as much time as you can per image to really hone in your skills on that. Okay, so that's an easy way to learn how to liquify in Photoshop any image that you need edited, whether it's your landscapes, portraits, wildlife, whatever it might be. It's a great way to kind of correct that image. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Luke from Bedford Camera and Video, and we'll catch you next time.